Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to do for you 2 sconces, and they're going to be quick, easy, beautiful, and inexpensive. Everything is from the Dollar Tree except for my little square mirrors that I hauled from Hobby Lobby. They're $2.49, and there is 10 pieces in the pack. So what you will need for this project is 2 round, 2 octagon, and 2 square. You'll need 6 popsicle sticks. You will need this little thing. I'm not quite sure what they're called. It looks like a rope, but the Dollar Tree has them in many different colors. We're gonna go with the black. And like I mentioned, you will need these little square mirrors, and they're the 2-inch mirrors. You will need your glue gun and glue sticks. We're gonna jump right into this DIY. Like I said, I'm expecting it to be quick, easy, and beautiful. So the first thing we want to do is begin outlining each of these mirrors. So we're going to lay a generous amount of glue down onto the edge of the mirrors. I forgot to mention, you definitely need to have scissors because we will have to cut this thing, the rope. Try and get it as straight as you can possibly take it all the way around. So I went ahead and add the little black rope thing around, outlining all the mirrors. And I also decided to add some of the Dollar Tree gems, just to add some interest. So I did it only to the base of the square mirrors. Only wanted it on the square because I'm going to use the square portion as my bottom part. So now I want to flip my mirror over, and I'm going to begin to add my popsicle stick. So I've got 2 popsicle sticks on the bottom and 1 in the center because the circle is going to have a shorter area to hide. So I went ahead and cut my popsicle stick in half and see if I could possibly give just a tad bit more support on the rounded area. So I'm going to go ahead and add my glue, generous amount of glue. As close to the other popsicle stick as possible, just to reinforce my glass. I don't want my mirror to be weak. I want it to be pretty strong. So I'm going to do that for both sides, and then I'll come back and show you. Okay guys, so for the mirror, I'm going to take the 2 small square mirrors and I'm going to go back to back with them. So lay a generous amount of glue. And go back to back with them. Make sure you align them properly. They need to be even. So make sure they're even. And press. Now I want to reinforce this mirror with extra glue underneath, just to make sure it is secured. Then I'm going to go ahead, clean the mirror, add my candle, and hang it onto the wall. Okay guys, so this is how they turned out. Absolutely love that. And I have an actual candle burning in it. If you do like the way that these two turned out, give me a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. Truly appreciate your time and your support, and I look forward to your comments. Please let me know if this is a project you would recreate for your home. Quick, simple, and inexpensive.